Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another wonderful tutorial video for you, and it's all about a software called RUFUS. As you can see here, RUFUS 3.21 is the version. This software is used to create bootable USB drives or USB sticks or flash drives, whatever you want to call it, for operating systems, say for Windows 10, Windows 11 and so on. Today I am going to show you step by step on how this can be done. So first of all, I'll just direct you, shall I say, to a website that you can download this software. Here it is highlighted at the top, and if you just scroll down, download, and it says RUFUS 3.21. This is the version at the moment. As you can see, the date here in the corner. Obviously in the future this will change and the application or software will be updated, but it's more or less the same principal way of doing it as I'm going to show you here today. So when you download that, you put it on your desktop and make sure that you have ISO of your operating system as well, and obviously a USB stick. It is good to have a faster USB stick read and write, so it'll take a shorter time for it to create the actual USB stick. So first of all, let's just double click on it. What happens is when you do that, it will appear the application. It will open like this. I've already plugged my USB device in there. As you can see, it says test there. So when this is open, you need then to go to the next boot selection here. You can't do nothing there, so what we're going to do, we just leave it disk or ISO image, which we have. You select that and we have that there on my desktop. I'll just go open and that will implement it in there. Image option, you just leave it as it is. GPT, you just leave that as it is. MBI is for earlier versions like Windows 7. Because it's going to target the system UEFI. So these days, all laptops mainly have that system. The volume will be given automatically. Yeah, the format option, the section here. File system large, we'll change it to NTFS. Leave that as it is, and you just ignore these two and so on. So when that is all done, what you need to do is just click the start button and ignore all this here. Don't fill anything there, just go OK with it, and it just gives you a warning saying it will delete everything that's on your disk. So please make sure that you either have a new one or save all your files somewhere else so you don't lose them, because it's going to wipe it all off. So we go OK, and this says deleting here, as you can see. And then it'll start partition formatting and etc. like this. This usually takes about 10 minutes. Maybe it can be quicker, like I said earlier on, depending on the write and read speed of the actual USB stick, maybe the computer as well. So what I'm going to do is I'll probably stop the video or speed it up a little bit, and what we'll do, we'll come back in the second part of the actual tutorial. Okay, here we are. As you can see now, on our final part of the video, this software and the creating of the USB has been finalized. When you get this information ready, that's how it is. It's done, it's finished. So we just close that just to make sure that everything is there. We'll just go into our file explorer, open it, and what we need to do, we just go in here, and here you are. You can see all the actual software that's been installed. So there you are. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like the video, thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more new uploads. Thank you for watching.